Guys, overall, it's a 10 out of 10. You guys should try this and tag me in it when you do it, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a 10 out of 10. And right now, I try my pepper, I eat my pepper right now. You know? Professional eater, pepper. You boy Dontae here, back with another video, and right now I'm going to be cooking my grandfather's favorite, some good old Dr. Fish. As you can see, I have everything laid out on the table. I'm going to chop these up right now. If you run me, so we fish them here, guys. You know, nice okra, as you can see. This is all of our seasoning we're going to put in there. Nice presentation by your boy Dontae. And then this is the seasoning we're put in there, but 1 second, but we're already seasoning the fish already. So yeah, this is about everything right here. I'm using the olive oil so the pot don't have to be hot.